Hello guys, this is the 2023 GMC Canyon Elevation trim. There is 4 trims you could choose from. There is the Elevation, AT4, Denali, and AT4X. This Elevation trim is the base trim or the lowest trim, and it is finished in Summit White. Now honestly, this thing looks amazing. The AT4X will have 10.7 inches of ground clearance, and I think this one has around 9.5 if I'm not mistaken. I'll correct that in the bottom of the screen. And seriously, this thing looks very, very good. Today I'm going to be taking it on a POV test drive and tell you what I think about this brand new Canyon. Again guys, it is finished in Summit White, and it does have actually a good amount of packages. It has the premium package, does have the preferred package, and the convenience package. But let's go ahead and take it on a POV test drive and see how it does. All right, here's the interior of this 2023 GMC Canyon. This one is the Elevation trim, and as I said guys, there is 4 trims you could choose from. So this is the lowest trim. Here is the backup camera. Backup camera resolution is alright. I did do a full detailed review, so if you guys are interested in the full detailed review of this GMC Canyon, make sure to check it out on my channel. So this is my first time driving this Canyon. I did not drive any other trim, so it is my first time driving this redesigned Canyon. I'm gonna tell you what I think about this brand new 2023 Canyon. Seating position is perfect. Seats are nice and comfortable, and I really like the new interior. I think GMC nailed it. The inside and outside, everything just looks honestly amazing. I'm sitting really high off the ground. I believe it has 9.6 inches of ground clearance, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys get the AT4X, it's going to have 10.7, which is insane. I think this one is already high enough. Very nice and quiet. The moment I shut the door, everything felt quiet. So the cabin is really quiet, and I think GMC did a great job. There's 2 cup holders back here. Oh, right here. There's 2 cup holders back there, and then there's 2 cup holders all the way in the back. Beautiful interior. This is actually nice and soft. The top right here is plastic, which is completely fine. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. They are wireless, by the way. Did take a little bit of time for Apple CarPlay to turn on. Really wish it was a little bit smoother, but it does connect. I'm gonna hop on the highway and I'm gonna test this 2.7 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is manual shifting right here on the side. There is 4 drive modes: normal, off-road, tow haul, terrain. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it on normal. I really like that turbo whistle or turbo sound. Oh yeah, definitely no issues merging on the highway. This thing has plenty of power and feels nice and planted, very solid. I really like the way how this thing drives. It is actually very high off the ground and it is very windy, but it does feel nice and planted. Good amount of wind noise, but it is windy today, so it's kind of hard to say if the wind noise is very high, but I think it's honestly not bad for a truck this height and with those massive tires. This thing has 18-inch rims. The size of those tires are 265, 65, 18. This thing drives good. There is no road noise or tire noise from those tires, so I think that GMC did a great job with the tires on this Canyon. Again guys, this is the elevation trim. It is the base trim, but it seriously looks amazing. Let's go ahead and talk about the engine. So it does have a 2.7 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this engine produces 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. So good amount of torque and horsepower from this Canyon. And as I said guys, it does accelerate very nice. Feels planted. This 8-speed automatic transmission feels nice and quick. And brakes, they're actually nice and solid. From a truck, that's actually very, very good. I'm not really feeling that much of body lean, which I like. Brakes are definitely good. There's a USB Type-C, USB Type-A. Here is the e-brake, and here are the 2 cup holders. The armrest is not really soft. Does have Google Assistant, so that's a good thing. So built-in Google Assistant. Oh yeah, this thing is nice and torquey. Again guys, the brakes feel nice and solid. And surprisingly, this thing actually drives very good. Even though it is wide, it is still a mid-size pickup, but it does look very big from the outside. Beautiful 11.3-inch screen, and I believe the screen in front of me is around 7 or 8 inches. I'll correct that in the bottom of the video, or in the bottom of the screen. Steering wheel is wrapped in leather. Something that I'm not a big fan of is the way how I turn off and turn on the lights. So in this Canyon, for you to be able to turn on the headlights and the headlights or the lights in general, you actually have to click this button right here and click auto or off. So that's how you basically turn on the headlights and taillights in this truck. There is no switches or buttons here for you to be able to do that, but you could leave it on auto and it will do everything for you. So if you go in a tunnel, the lights will turn off. You go out of the tunnel, lights will turn off. Same thing, if it's daytime, they will stay off. At night, they will turn on. I really like the way how this truck drives. Oh yeah, that torque. I'm sitting very high. I could see everything next to me, behind me, in front of me. I really like how the hood curves. This truck has the nice safety features. You could adjust the gap by pushing this up or down. Let's go ahead and set the cruise controls. By the way, this truck has lane keeping assist. but I don't think it has steering assist. I think you have to go for the Denali, if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check that. But again, guys, this thing drives very, very good. I'm really impressed with the tires that GMC is using, because they are extremely quiet and I really like them. Let's see what happens if I try to touch the lane right here. So it seems like it's not really doing anything. It's not pushing me back. Yep, it is pushing me back now, but this is not steering assist. This is only lane keeping assist. So every time basically I touch the lanes, it's going to push me back. Again, guys, very comfortable. And by the way, the seats are really comfortable with a lot of support. Let's go ahead and test the handling here. Oh yeah, I could hear the tires. I could hear the tires squeaking, but that's expected. It does have massive tires. 265, 65, 18. I really like this 2.7 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine connected to this 8-speed automatic transmission. I think it's a very good combination. Transmission is nice, smooth, not very, very quick, but it's just, I think, perfect for a truck. Again, guys, a ton of ground clearance, around 9.6, 9.7. I believe 9.3 if I'm not mistaken. It's either one of them, but I'll correct that in the bottom. Suspension setup is actually very good, nice and comfortable when I'm hitting potholes or things like that on the road. I really don't feel the impact that much. Again, the interior is extremely quiet. Close the window and everything is nice and quiet. Inside right here there is a ton of space. Removable tray. There is 6 cup holders in this truck. There's actually more because you can put drinks inside the door panels or in the door panels. Seeing out of the back and the sides is very good, nice and big. There's a manual window in the back, and this truck has a good amount of packages and features or options. It does have heated seats, and it does have the convenience package, preferred package. That engine is very, very torquey. It is very responsive. As I said, guys, this 8-speed automatic transmission is good. It shifts nice and quick. Comfortable seats. It definitely feels big, but I think it's something you could get used to very quick. Steering wheel is extremely light. Oh yeah. It is buttery smooth. Again, guys, the brakes feel very nice and touchy. Digital display looks amazing. Braking and acceleration are very nice and smooth. I am truly impressed with this truck. I think GMC honestly did a great job. I'm gonna go ahead and take it back here just to see how the suspension feels. Definitely soaks up the bumps really good. Feels nice and solid, very comfortable. You don't feel those big potholes or big holes. So the suspension setup is seriously amazing. I think GMC killed it with this truck. I think it is the best looking mid-size pickup truck, and I think honestly it's amazing. It's seriously such a beautiful package. Comfortable, smooth, and it drives amazing. MPGs are 17 in the city, 21 highway, and 19 combined. Most of the pickup trucks in this segment are around this or around those numbers, so I think those numbers are good. The back seats are not that spacious. I really wish that there was a little bit more leg room in the back. Seeing out of this truck is perfect, nice and spacious inside. And yeah, seriously, I really like this Canyon. I think GMC did a great job. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this POV test drive of this 2023 GMC Canyon Elevation trim. Again guys, there's 4 trims you could choose from. There is the Elevation, AT4, Denali, and AT4X. Before I end this video, I would like to thank Luke and Buick GMC here in Wallingford, Connecticut for providing me this Canyon. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and check them out. And before I end this video, I would like to let you guys know that I came out with my own car detailing products. So if you guys are interested in any car detailing products, microfiber towels, ceramic coating, tire shine, things like that, make sure you check my website. I'm going to go ahead and put the link of my website in the bottom of this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.